Hello CAD users, and welcome back to another episode of Did You Know? And did you know that you can enter the angle and length of a line in bearings, that is degrees, minutes and seconds, as would typically be found on a survey plan. If I choose to draw lines, for instance, I could start my line drawing at, say, this location, and I could then press B on my keyboard. By pressing B on the keyboard, this will change to a B for bearing, and this will change to L for length, and I can start entering my bearing. All I need to do is start typing the value. So let's draw this line here, which is 119, 119. Now how do I indicate degrees? There's no symbol on the keyboard that looks like this little circle. So what we use is the hash or pound key. Then we type in 50, and we use the single quotation mark, and then we type in 42. We do not need to place the double quotation mark, so for expediency there's no need to do so, and then just press Tab on the keyboard. That will take you over to the length where I can enter 2274, which is the length of this line, and when I press enter, the line is drawn. As you can see, I can just wander around now, and let's see what happens when I enter the next value. So if I type B for bearing, and I want 209 degrees with the hash key, 50 minutes with a single quotation mark, 42 seconds. This time I'll actually place the double quotation mark in there. I'll press Tab on my keyboard and type in 3102 for the length and press enter, and away we go. I can continue to work on this. B again for bearing. This time it's 80 degrees, hash key, 35 minutes, single quotation mark, 45, Tab or the L key to take me to length, type in the value, 3000, and press enter. Now you'll notice that it's gone off in another direction, and this will occur, and that will mean that you will need to select that line and use the cut option. That's the Control X, select that point, and Control V or paste, and select that point. We've now got that in a new location, and the reason for that is that these values are given to us in the same coordinate system that is used by surveyors, and they work in either a clockwise or anti-clockwise direction depending on whereabouts you are in the world. Now of course we could just close this line up manually if we wish to, and draw the final line, or again we can draw using the bearing command. In this case I will simply close the gap. But there you have it. So enjoy using bearings, and you'll notice that in the process it actually translates the bearing value into an actual decimal value. So it's doing the calculation for you in the background. Look forward to speaking next time.